Hello and welcome everyone to Talent Battle, your one-stop platform for placement preparation. This is Akshay. In today's video, I will be sharing with you information about an off-campus opportunity from Wipro. This is not normal Wipro. I would urge everyone to watch the video till the end to understand all the vital things about this Wipro DWSD 2021 opportunity. I also like to inform you that recently some of our students received placement offers from TCS NQT. We are looking to help more students through our platform. Do check our placement preparation packages. Links are added in the description. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get instant notification of all the off-campus as well as internship offers and you will not miss a single opportunity. So let's begin. As I mentioned earlier, Wipro DWSD 2021 has announced. I have already added application links in the description box. Once you click on that link, you will come in this particular web page. We will look at what is DWSD 2021. Digital Workspace Service Desk is a unique learning integrated program which offers BCom, BBA, BBM, BMS, BE and BSc Economics students a chance to build a remarkable career with Wipro while pursuing their higher education in EPGDBM, that is Executive Postgraduate Diploma in Business Management, from a premier educational institution in India sponsored by Wipro. So this is a good chance. Now we will look at what is the eligibility criteria. 10 standard 50% and above, 12 standard 50% and above, graduation 50% and above, or in CGPA 5 and above. Year of passing only 2021. Qualification, as I mentioned earlier, these are the degrees, and most important part, no MBAs. Other criteria, maximum 3 years of educational gap is allowed between 10th and graduation. Only full-time courses, no part-time or correspondences or distance learning education in either 10th or 12th or degree. Graduation should be recognized by central or state government of India. No standing arrears or backlog at the time of selection process. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. These are the job description. Basic computer knowledge to troubleshoot desktop, laptop and answering support queries via email, phone, chat and web. Excellent communication skills required as you will work in international voice support. Willingness to work in 24/7 environment, rotational shifts in a 5 days a week environment. Now the stipend. First year 15,488 rupees per month. Second year 17,553 rupees per month. Third year 19,618 rupees per month. Service agreement. On joining, candidates would be required to sign a service agreement for 36 months. Selection process, preliminary screening, technical interview and HR interview. Now let us look at how you can apply for this great opportunity from Wipro. Click on this apply now button. You need to enter your email address, then next. A blank form will appear for Event Digital Workspace Service Desk Hiring 2021. If you upload your first resume from any of these options, then there is a chance that system will automatically get few informations. So you need to double check those information, and if you found that all the information auto captured by system are satisfactory, then hit the submit profile button. This way your application will be submitted at Event Digital Workspace Service Desk Hiring for the year 2021. I would request everyone to go through this particular link which is available in the description box, read all the information carefully and found that you are fit for this opportunity, then only apply. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the efforts we take to provide you off-campus and internship opportunities, then please like the video. In case of any doubts, feel free to comment on the video. Do join our WhatsApp and Telegram group for instant updates. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the campus related updates. Thank you and all the best for your Wipro placement preparation.